நேத்து மாமே.
வேணாண்டா தம்பி, சொன்னா கேளு. வேணாம்.
இந்த வருஷமும் நாங்க தான்டா.
We know not what is in reserve for us. Our journey on earth is a longer rugged path, not so smooth. Let us make this pilgrimage of ours on this blue planet beneficial to others. The students from 6th to 9th standard make an earnest effort to make you carry home these fond thoughts. Come on friends, have a good go.
Notre Dame Holy Cross proudly present the Rubicon. The snare of raw violence has engulfed this blue planet. Bloodshed everywhere. The monster of terrorism crushes this world and breaks into fragments. Men seek vengeance with one another. Nations collide and run with each other. Assassination, murder, kidnapping, hijacking, looting, and bomb blasts smear mankind. The butchering mongrels find solace in parley. The wildfire of terrorism will soon consummate this human race. Why this catastrophe? How to save this sacred land from terrible disaster? Will the divine take an incarnation to redeem this world from peril?
Is successful. We have blasted the utility buildings, the corporation, and the market.
Arrest those culprits! The nefarious dealers! Arrest them!
Comrades, we are in trouble. Hurry, come on.
Surrender. Don't move. Drop the weapon. Nitu? Nitu! Nitu, my darling! Where are you? No! No! Not this one! Where is my child? My sweetie! My heaven! Speak, my dear! Speak! Speak, Papa! Gone! Everything is gone! Nitu! Nitu, my son! My princess! Nitu! Nitu! You rogues! Look at that poor woman! She's gone mad! Lost all her relation in the bomb blast! Really heartbreaking! What a terrible damage!
You heartless wretch! How do you justify?
See the damage you have caused to the nation! You stone-hearted brutes! What did you gain, you butchers? We want this world to change! A change to better! You bloody traitor! Got no shame? Wanna change? This way? It's an irony. A women terrorist? After change? We will not die till we achieve our end. Shut up, you mongrel! See the terrible disaster. Thousands perished. There is definitely someone big behind all these rackets. Tell me, you crook. Tell me. Who's behind you? I will wring your neck.
Easy. Take them to the custody and extract the truth. Yes, sir! Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, sir. With great difficulty we captured them. Release them, sir. They are terrible guys. Please, sir. Okay, sir.
Friends, be happy and celebrate. The city is in our hands.
Otherwise, the police would have never traced them out. You wanted us to blow the city, huh? Then why this betrayal?
We were scared that we might be deceived. That's why.
You bloody scoundrels! To save your skins, or you pledge the lives of a friend. What an injustice, huh? You suspect our loyalty? This is terrible. Hassan, these roads will go to any extreme. They care nothing for others.
Villains, we have lost our comrades. Finish them off.
Poor comrades, caught into trouble because of these traitors.
Hassan, how happily they were were celebrating the disaster.
We must burn them alive. They should feel the pinch. Others should learn a better lesson. Do away with them.
Shall we chop them into pieces and feed the beast around?
No, Aspen, no. We greatly regret and apologize.
You vampires! Our friends are ruined. And you seek pardon? No mercy.
Bury them alive. They are a danger to all our crew. Come on, finish them up.
Don't move. Weapons down. One step more, you are dead.
Thank God, Mr. Sam, you are on time.
Or else, we would have been reduced to ashes.
You are really great.
Shut up. I don't need your eulogy. You mongrels, bloodthirsty beasts. Away with these lawbreakers. I desire you are dead.
But the law forbids you?
You talk law? Lawless wreck. You hatched the plan and they carried out. The ruthless beggars. To be on the safer side, you trapped them.
They will reap the harvest in plenty. And now you must suffer. Let your God save you from this peril.
Mr. Sam, I warn you, set us free. You have to meet with severe and serious consequences, mind you.
Good luck, my dear goody-goody guys. Adieu. Nature will take care of you. Pray to your beloved deities. Good luck.
As a police officer, you are failing in your duty.
Thank you for giving me a reminder. Have a happy tussle with raging bulls and panthers, you jungle birds. My loyal citizens, fare thee well. Yes, sir. Hostage, sir. Fight, sir. No doctor. No engineer. No, I don't know anyone. No one, sir. Good day, sir.
My gosh, we are ruined. This is terrible. Please, Mr. Sam, save us from peril.
Don't
Save us, sir.
Don't
please, sir.
Please,
Please, don't, for heaven's sake, no. Please, for heaven's sake, don't leave us, sir. Have mercy. Please, have mercy.
Pranam, Maharishi, Pranam. Blessings, my son.
No, who are you? Tell me who you are. You are not a leader. Who are you?
Oh no!
Sir, he has swallowed the cyanide he had.
He has chosen his way. Let him die, the coward.
How dare you enter our territory? You, Walter Sam.
He does not know the impending danger.
Shut up, you.
Officer, this is our zone. Not even a fly can escape from here without our notice. And you play prank with us, you are in deep trouble.
Anything more?
You captivated our friends and they are not to be found in the custody, nor in prison.
responsible for their ruin.
You came to report to your leader? He is already in our custody. What do you mean? I am not to answer your question. Come on, away with these fellows.
Our friends won't spare you.
Close your mouths or we will snip your tongue.
Law-abiding mongrels playing silly games?
Move! Come on, move! None should escape. You guys, be like sheep. Never try tricks with us. Get it? Anything untoward happening? Shoot them down. Yes, sir!
If you want.
We won't budge. Why do you indulge in such brutal violence? Who is behind all this? I will spoil your career.
Water! Water! Die and perish. Not a drop will be given. Do you think you can bring the world to violence? Don't you realize that you are resorting to wrong means? Kill us! We are ready to die. We care more for our principles.
You sinister. Die. Die for your principles.
Take it easy, Vasanti. They will budge. Give them some energy drink.
Brinda, get some drinks for these crooks.
Yes, ma'am. Did you ever think of your parents? What a humiliation they suffer because of your wrongdoings.
No! Don't! Let us die! You reckless villain! Hitting the train! Showing your fury!
Come on! Kill us! We are happy to die!
Good spirit, indeed. So you are ready to tell the truth? Congrats!
Officers, we don't fear death. Principles is foremost. Principles? Sir, she is uttering nonsense. We must slip her tongue out.
Leave her. They project their frustration. Now you mad freaks, change your hearts. Change your ways.
Violence breeds only violence. At this young age, you will be branded as criminals and hanged.
Shoot it down! Come on, shoot it down! Come on, shoot it down! That's great. You troubleshooters, you will not budge. Die! Die in this cave. Starve to death. No one can chase you off. Officers, have an eye on these wrecks. None should near them. Mind it. Yes, sir. Welcome, my dear friends. Welcome to heaven of peace. Mr. Sam, what is this? A child's play. Are you joking? This is Miss Anjali, a notorious terrorist who rocked the whole world, believed to be dead in an air crash, but alive. Now she is the director of this home. Tomfoolery! A big joke? You want us to believe this rubbish?
It's true, Anto. 100% true.
Why, Anto? Why do you pinch me? Am I dreaming?
You might wonder what Mr. Sam is doing here. He risks his life and saves people like us. He rescues youngsters like us and shows in us the shades of hope to live.
Oof! Can't just imagine.
He is the founder of this home, a haven of peace, Shanti Van, the home for the drifted youth like us, named after his beloved daughter, who died in a terrorist operation 20 years ago.
Are we in a utopian world?
This is incredible. A home to refine the derelicts like us? Kavya, look. Look at your comrades whom you thought Sam had done away with. How happy they are.
Hi, buddies.
Hi, ma'am.
My dear youth, this is Lisa, my beloved life partner.
A warm welcome to the land of peace, my dear youth. Still, you just can't believe.
Are we in a paradise? A paradise. My friend, it's more than a paradise. Madam Lisa lost her child and her legs in a terrorist attack, and that inspired her to start a home for the derelicts like us.
And today, I've earned thousands of children like you. My Sam sought vengeance, but now he ventures to render a remarkable service to youth like you.
My dear friends, you are in a home away from home, thousands of miles away from our homeland, a hilly island totally cut off, surrounded by deep sea.
So, we are banished unofficially.
My dear children, you are totally free here. You'll get everything you need: food, shelter, clothing, education, job, etc., etc. But the moment you go back to the world, you'll be gored to death. The world awaits a chance.
Choose now, freedom or death. I don't think we'll find a better home than this. Even our people will not accept us if we return. We'll fall prey again in the hands of those criminals out.
Sir, our hearts filled with joy. Energy seeps through our veins.
We are rejuvenated.
This is our home, and you are our parents. It's a marvel, a home for the homeless.
What a risk you take to save the tarnished youth like us.
What a noble job you are doing. No, my children, this is our mission. The youth of today needs direction. They are energy filled. It's a hallucination to believe in achievements through violence. It is only through peace a nation can prosper. Healthy youth makes a wealthy nation.
Let's vow to live together and bring many more youth into our fold. Certainly, we will skip all violence and work for peace.
Yes, my dear Sam, let's have a solemn, regular investiture ceremony. Give them our attire and receive them into our home.
Come on, friends. Let us celebrate this big occasion.
astounding feat. Hope, peace has found home in everyone's heart. Congratulations! Ooh, amazing and incredible. Our lovely audience, let's give them a big cheerful ovation. Notre Dame of Holy Cross revolves on the axle of love, service and unity. On this auspicious occasion, we kindly request our beloved brother principal to present this august gathering the salient features of our school and the values that our school stands for.